Hi, my name is Rahul Ajit Patil and today's date is 19th July 2021 and today I am here to discuss the point what is string buffer and string builder. I will discuss point by point what is string builder and string buffer and how we use these terms in our Java programming. String is nothing but the non-primitive data type. So before going to the string, we will first see the what is the primitive data type and the non-primitive data type. So primitive data types are the predefined by the Java and they are already defined by the Java, while the non-primitive data types are created by the programmer. And examples of the primitive data types are the int, char, boolean, float, short, long. These are the examples of the primitive data type, while the examples of the non-primitive data type are the array and the string. So string is nothing but the non-primitive data type, and it is also defined as the sequence of characters, or we can also say the array of characters where we can store the sequence of characters. There are actually two methods to write a string. First one is by using the new keyword, and second one is by using the literals. The way to create a string by using the new keyword is that firstly we create the string, we write as a string, then variable is equal to new string, and in the uh, bracket, in the double quote, we write a string whatever we want. So this is the first way. And in the second way, that is by using the literal. In that way we create the we write as a string, then variable whatever we can choose is equal to the in the double quotes, whatever string we want we can write inside the double quotes, and after that semicolon. So this is the second way. So what is the difference between the uh, by using the new keyword and by using the literals? So whenever we are going to create the string by using the literals, it will store in the string constant pool, that is the SCP of the heap memory area. And whenever we want to create the string by using the new keyword, it will store in the heap area. So these are the difference between the string by using the new keyword and by using the literal. So whenever we if the both the strings are same, but they are created by using the literal, and one is created by using the literal and another is by created by using the uh, new keyword. And when there is some scenario like we have to compare the two strings, then if we use the equal to symbol, then they will return a boolean which is false, because they are we are going to compare the objects of the string. But whenever we are going to by using the method equals to, then they will then in this case they will be true. The reason is that in the first case, when we are going to compare the two strings by using the equal to sign, we are going to compare the two objects of these two strings. So whenever in the second scenario we compare the two strings, so in this case the output will be the boolean, and which will be true. This is the scenario in the case of the comparison. So why string is we will now we will see why the string is immutable. So string is immutable because of the two reasons. One is because of the features of the string, and another one is feature of the SCP. We will see about that. So first reason is that string is immutable. String is immutable means once we created the string, we cannot change the value or data inside the string. The reason is that when if we create the string s1 and we give some out and we create the string s2 and given the same data which have we given to the string s1. But here the term comes is that if we create the if we use another variable but it pointing to the same data, then our object will pointing to the our variable will pointing to the same object, because once we created the because when we are going to store that string in the memory, it firstly checks that where this string is already stored in our memory area or not. Then in that case, if the string is already present in the memory area, then the second object will also point to the same string and it will not create the another object. So this is the difference between the how string is immutable. And the second reason is that in the SCP, when we are going to create the string by using the literals, uh, as we already discussed that string by using string which is created by using the literals, it will store in the SCP area. So SCP has a special has a feature that it will not allow us the duplicate elements. So once the string is created already in the SCP, then it will not allow the duplicate elements in the inside the SCP. So these are the two reasons why the string is immutable. Also we can say that as the output in the console we cannot change. So uh, as it is already in the string form, we cannot change output in the console. So it is the reason that the string is immutable. So for example, when we are going to create the bank account, then the important data like the name, account number, branches, like always stored in the string. Now to overcome this immutability of the string, the string buffer and string builder comes in the picture. So uh, what's the advantages of the string buffer and string builder over the string? That they are string, they have mutability. So it means that we can change the data inside the string. So we will firstly we will discuss about the string buffer and string builder. So firstly we will so the string difference between these two. Firstly I will discuss the string. String is the immutable. We cannot change the data inside the string. It is not thread safe, it is not synchronized, and it is comparatively slow as compared to the string buffer and string builder. This is all about the string. Now we will go to the string buffer. It is mutable. We can change the data inside the string buffer. It is thread safe, it is synchronized, and it is comparatively faster than the string, and it is data can be changed inside the string. Now we will say about the string builder. It is also have the mutability feature in that we can change the data inside the string, and it is also faster than the as compared to the string, and it is not thread safe because it is also the non-synchronized. So these are the difference between the string buffer, string builder, and the string. So string buffer and string builder comes in the picture because of the to overcome the immutability of the string. So if the there is scenario like we have to change the uh, data inside the string, then we will go with the string buffer and the string builder. So that's why they come in the picture also. We can see that that's why they are invented. So string buffer and string builder have all the common methods, but string buffer and string builder have the some additional method as the delete method. So as you know that we cannot have delete method in the string, but we can delete the element from the by using the string buffer and string builder. So we will see the in short which are the methods usually in the string to manipulate the string. So firstly there are some methods like the character method. Character method is used to access the character in the string. So whenever we want to manipulate the character in the string, we use the char at method in the string. Another method is that the compare to method. So whenever we are going to compare the two strings, it will output in the number, because when we compare the two strings, it will return the ASCII value of the uh, difference between the ASCII values of the characters. So when the characters are same, it will return 0, and if the characters are not same, then it will return something. So this is the compare to method. Then ends with method. Ends with method, that there are two strings. First, if the first string ends with the character of the second string, then it will be the ends with method, and its return type will be the boolean. Similarly, the starts with method. If there are suppose there are two strings, and if the first string starts with the characters of the second string, then it will be called as the starts with method, and also the return type will be the boolean of it. Again, there are uppercase method. If you there is need, such as we have to convert all the lowercase characters to the uppercase, then we will use this method. Then again, lowercase. So whenever there is need to convert from the uppercase to lowercase, then we will go with the lowercase methods. So these are the some methods used in the string buffer and string builder, and the relative one is the additional method used in the string buffer and the string builder. This is all about the string buffer and the string builder. Thank you.